that we have to identify 5,000 square meter of land for disposal of inert. And the site that was suggested by the court was this exactly the one which on which the for which the site was created by Fomento.
Landfill site.
Landfill site was created.
Who had suggested?
It has come from honorable court.
This is the High Court.
So accordingly, this we are going to submit the report tomorrow by morning 10:30.
Is it feasible to put up?
So we will put all the facts onto the report.
So how much area has Fomento prepared for inert?
As per their official, it is 1,500.
Feasible दिसतंय
म्हाका दिसना तो म्हणटा 5,000 तांकां स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन जाय इनर्ट मटेरियल घालपाक ते रेमिडिएशन जावन उरता ते सो 5,000 जमीनूच पयली हांगा दिश्टी पडना फर्स्ट दुसरें म्हणल्यार द वे टोपोग्राफी जी आसा तो जर थंय सकयल घाले जाल्यार तो व्हरूंक ताका चान्स ना आय डोंट थिंक दॅट दीस इज फिजिबल ऑल्दो ऑन पेपर इट मे लूक फिजिबल प्रॅक्टिकली आय डोंट थिंक इट इज पॉसिबल ना संसड्याचो डंप तसो उरचो ना वी वील प्रोएक्टिवली डू इट लास्ट टायम जेन्ना पर्रीकार मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्लो तेन्ना जेन्ना आमी हें रेमिडिएशन स्टार्ट केल्लें तोच कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर पाटील म्हणून आहा तोच आतांय करतलो गेले खेपे आमी ताका एक प्रायवेट मनशा कडेन जमीन मागून सकयल जी सायडीन हाकाच एडजसंट आहा ती जमीन आमी वापरली ते मनशा कडेन हांव आतां परतो रिक्वेस्ट करता हें आय डीड नॉट नो ऑफ दीस नाजाल्यार हांव एक पयलींच करून येवपाचो आतां आमी उलयला तांचे कडेन चड करून ते आमकां एग्री जातले.
There are two issues. One, the issue before the court which is now there today is for us to start our remediation we require certain land that is to temporarily store RDF. RDF means plastic, shoes, chappals, clothes, whatever comes out of remediation. Temporary storage. After that it will go to cement factories. We also require some area where the CND waste, fatar bidar ahate, compost to the level karpak, which they have to identify. They can identify anywhere within say 5 kilometers of this area also. And plastic dorpanga lagi jaga jay. So last time it was identified down, what honorable minister has said. So same place if it is given to us, if they make efforts, it will be good for us because we want to start at the earliest by first week of end of week of first week of.
This is the inerts and all that. Where the actual machines will be
now
put?
the other question
मशीनां
was
भितर घालतात मशीन म्हळ्यार स्क्रीन आसता
machine with multi-deck screen thi.
Where
भितर ऑन द डंप
On the dump.
ते कशें आसता पळय हांगा हो डंप आहा हो डंपूच रिमिडिएट म्हळ्यार कितें कमी करतात ते ताजो वॉल्यूम देंवयतात हांगा देंवतकर हांगा जागो मेळटा मागीर ती शिफ्ट जाता थंय नाजाल्यार आनी एक स्क्रीन येता गेले खेपे 1-2-3 म्हयने केल्ले आनी मागीर पावस आयलो आतांय तो 2-3 स्क्रिनींनी स्टार्ट करूंक सोदता जसो जागो ताजो क्लियर जाता तसो तो करीत रावतलो सी सोंसडो is I think the biggest challenge in front of the solid waste management ministry. Minister is the new minister effect. The portfolio, the department itself has been created. I think this is his first challenge. He is that way a taskmaster. I think he is taking it seriously. We welcome the seriousness of the minister. There should be no politics in this. And this is an issue which requires immediate public attention. Which is why जें कितें आमी सपोर्ट करूंक जाय म्युनिसिपालिटीन सपोर्ट करूंक जाय पब्लिका कडच्यान वोटर्सां कडच्यान कोऑपरेशन जाय आमी सरकाराक पूर्णपणान सगळें सहकार्य दितले.
How much do you expect this whole exercise will cost?
That is from the
it
north
is all
to the
over
south.
Goa, around 100 crores we are going to spend. All over Goa. This is the biggest dump which is here at Swansado.
It is 11.
आणि total 11 आहात आणि 10 हा याच्या बाहेर पुढे धाकटे
पूण सगळ्यान व्हडली चॅलेंज म्हणटा ती सोंसड्या वयल्यान येता मिनिस्टर व्हडली चॅलेंज ती आनी इट शूड बी एवरीबडी शूड हेल्प हिम
the day we get this site, GWMC, Goa Waste Management Corporation gets this site from Fomento. Once Fomento decides he wants to exit, after having the final discussion with him, which we are waiting for him to come, he is out of station. I and CM will meet him on this. Honorable Chief Minister and myself will meet him. We will talk to him. Whatever the arbitration amount can be finalized later on by the arbitrator. Whatever amount he wants first, we will make arrangement to pay him. And he should exit in the interest of the people of Fatorda and Margaon, because those days what he was composting was okay for that quantum of waste, but today's waste is huge. The generation of waste, nobody wants waste in their house. Margaon municipal council तो जागो आयडेंटिफाय करून ताका कंपाउंड घालूंक जाय. वी हॅव टू सेक्युअर द लँड फर्स्ट. आफ्टर ट्रीटमेंट इज ओवर, पयलो आमी ट्रीट करता ओल्ड वेस्ट. वील सेक्युअर द लँड, वील पुट अ कंपाउंड, वील bring this building down and put up our plant building जे आमकां कशी लागता पळय ती, जे आमचे आहा पळय ते in planned manner we have to start. For that, first is having final meeting with Fomento and the exit. कोर्टान जायना हे सोल्युशन. कोर्टान आनीक 10 वर्सां अशेंच उरतले.
You have started the
कोर्ट म्हणटलो 1 लाख न्हू, ताका फाल्यां 2 लाख दी म्हणटलो, परवा म्हणटलो 3 लाख दी. म्हणजे पयशे दिवत रावपाचे म्युनिसिपालिटीन. तांकां काय खबर ना कितें जालां त्या भितर. पयलो तुमी
But
वेस्ट
have
कितले
you
ट्रीट केला.
started the talks with Mr. Timna? Have you started the talks?
Yeah, we have started. We have had 3 rounds of meetings with him, and तेजे कितें आहा पळय ते,
How much is that?
तेणे जे प्लॅन केल्लो, आय थिंक ही हॅड प्लॅन सम 15 years बॅक, एंड 15 years बॅक तितलो क्वॉन्टिटी येतालो आसतलो तो.
How much money he is asking?
तो पयशाचो मनीस ना तो. ताका रेस्पेद म्हणटा तो दिवपाक जाय, आनी ताका ते कितें ते ग्रेसफुली तो एक्सेप्ट करतलो आमकां कितें, आनी आमकां कितें दिवंक शकता तो. Remediation which we are starting, we have brought our contractor over here on site who is going to start the work.
So when can we?
So we
expect
require
it to
more
start?
space to put more machines. Otherwise only 1 or 2 machines will come. We want 4 machines. The waste has to go faster from here, and you require 4 machines.
So when this
So once this work starts, I think then slowly things will fall in place.
Work order and all has been issued to them.
Yeah,
We are in the position,
this week we are issuing work order. The work we want to start on 1st of December, and if the work starts on 1st December, then we have clear cut 6.5 months till the monsoon starts. We will maximum waste we will clear from here.
how many screens?
Depends on the
Availability of space.
availability of
initially
2.
पहिली 2 घालता आताच, but we will increase it to 4 depending on the area what we get.